So today we're gonna go shopping for like some makeup and stuff for prom because my prom is next week. And when I get back, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So this video is kind of like a prom preparation video, and so every day starting from today I'm gonna be vlogging a bit of what I'm doing to prepare for prom, and you guys are gonna be with me. Guys, it's kind of late right now, but I'm just gonna show you what I got anyways. Okay, so for makeup it's really dark because I'm in my room, but for makeup, for concealer, I got this elf concealer. I've seen it so much on TikTok and I was like, you know what, let me just get it because I've been using NYX and I've heard good things about this one. For the foundation, I'm using this skin tint. Also guys, I don't even wear foundation, so it was really hard to find a foundation. My mum said she saw like a really good like review about it. Someone was like, it's really good, it just looks like a filter. So I was like, there's no harm in trying it, and it does look really good. It's got like vitamin C and the packaging is nice. Next thing, this setting powder. Do you know what? I didn't know what setting powder to get like at all. But this one is NYX, Can't Stop, Won't Stop in banana. And I know banana powder is good, but yeah, I just got this one. It looks good, but we'll just see on prom. And for my lips, I had to get a little combo. So I went to the NYX section and I got this lip pencil, and it's in this color. Does it say the color on here? Espresso, right? That's an espresso. And I got the butter glosses. Oh my gosh, I've seen these everywhere on a thing on Pinterest. They're literally all over Pinterest. So it's this one. You can't even see what shade, and I can't get out of this. I can't get it out of this ginger snap. So these are the makeups that I got. I also got these tights from Primark. They were £4. I got them because on Monday and Tuesday I've got sixth form induction day, and I need to attend. So, and then I also got to be glued because mine was like broken, so I just had to get a new one, and also because I'm installing a wig for the first time for prom. I'm really excited. I've never done it before on myself. I tried to do it on my mum the other day, but that was not good. Let's see how it turns out. Good night. Guys, I forgot to mention I got my eyebrows done for the first time. I'm gonna try find a before. This is literally the only screenshot I have, but look how they were there. But look at them now. They're actually neat. Guys, I've taken out my hair. So, tomorrow I actually have to do the wig. If I do this wrong, yeah, if I do my wig wrong, that's it. That's literally it. And also, I got bored, so yeah, I did them myself. They're literally just press-ons. I got them from Temu. Literally just press-ons. But I used acrylic. So I put a bit of acrylic on the actual nail, and then like on the actual press-on, and then on my actual nails I put the nail glue. So it's gonna be really strong. Honestly, this is just so cheap. Like this was altogether, it's like £13 instead of paying like £25 to get your nails done. That looks so good. Today I also went Primark and I got this makeup bag. It's got a G on it, obviously for Grace. It's so big. I was able, hold on, literally all my makeup can fit inside it. So that's really good. I really like it. It's really nice. It's got like pearls on it, everything. It was £6 from Primark. That's actually so good. This is kind of like a late night thought. But actually, I'm going to take this off. This is like a late night thought, right? But you know, like when you're in a car and like you don't know where you're going. So obviously you need to put on the sat nav to tell you where you're going, right? Because you don't know where you're going, so you need the directions. You need the sat nav, because the sat nav will always know the way. Even if it's not the quickest way, the sat nav will always get you to your destination. In some ways, we are like the car, we're like the driver, and the Holy Spirit is our sat nav. Even when we don't know where to go, even though we don't know the outcome of our life, the Holy Spirit will always guide us to our destination. All we have to do is have faith and trust in God. But that's day 3, I'm pretty sure. So I've washed my hair, I've done my toenails. I was actually supposed to do them on Saturday, but I can't stop looking at them. I was supposed to do them on Saturday, but I got really bored. So I was like, I'll just do them now. But yeah, that's all I've done today. And I got my makeup bag. And that's it. So tomorrow I'm installing my wig. I'm really scared. But I know I'll do it. If I put my mind to it, I'll do it. Because I was also scared for these toenails, but I did them quite good. I need to watch like at least 10 tutorials or TikToks. I need to nail this one. Like, it just has to be so good. Like, you shouldn't be able to see the lace. Anyways, good night. As you can see, today is hair day. I literally got my mum. I haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but I've got my mum to do these cornrows in my hair. So today I'm gonna put on my wig. There's no turning back now. Honestly, this is it.
Money.
Guys, it's almost time to stick the lace down. Oh my gosh. I've put down like 4 layers of glue, right? And this one is actually starting to dry. So it's almost time to put on all my days. Guys, so I'm having a side pan because it's going to be like this way. I'm putting the wax on like here, so it would be flat. So guys, it's actually Sunday because I've literally forgotten to vlog, which is really bad, but let me give you a rundown on everything. So basically, on Friday I finished the wig. I'm trying to curl it right now, but yeah. So on Friday I finished the wig. Was it also on Thursday? No, Friday. Finished the wig. At first it wasn't looking too good though. He was like really gunky, but I feel like obviously it's not perfect, and now like you can still clearly see it, but it's better. And then I also did my fingernails because I got really bored. I was meant to do them on Saturday, I did them. They're literally press-ons. Literally the same that I did with my toes. I just put them down with like nail glue and acrylic, and they're not coming off. But yesterday I didn't really do much on Saturday. I felt I was mostly packing in my bags because obviously today we are going to my cousin's house to get to the hotel. I'm just gonna start getting ready. My mum and my sister are at church, but I woke up late. I didn't even know we were gonna go today. Because obviously we're going to the thing. But yeah. Okay guys, I look kind of messy. Well, we're about to leave. Literally, my bigger bag is downstairs. It's already packed. Like, it's taken me ages to pack that one. But yeah, I'm gonna try. I still got stuff I need to fit. I need to fit this in here. Oh well. Guys, do you recognize the kitchen? Do you recognize the kitchen? Yeah, come on. Her link is in the description. So basically guys, tomorrow I need to go to sixth form induction. I have to leave at 9 a.m. So no, I have to get that now. So I need to be there at 9 a.m. meaning I'll have to leave like really early. I'm thinking of skipping it. I'm not gonna skip it, I'm gonna go. Also guys, it seems I have obtained a pimple. Prom is in 2 days and it's not small as well.
What was it?
Guys, I'm at school. I'm almost finished it. Okay guys, so it's literally the day of prom and I've just woken up. But I'm just trying to do my hair. Yeah, this is time, by the way. But yeah. Okay guys, I've tried to do up my hair. The rollers are like falling